Women that truly likes you will suck the skin off your stick. Literally will suck the skin off your stick. The woman that's low interest, you damn near got. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ronn back at it with a banger ass video. Now today we're gonna talk about how to get any low interest girl to like you. Or to chase you. Shit. So before we get into this video, so y'all know me. Like y'all know on this channel, I highly advise y'all to not really mess with low interest women like that. Cause y'all know I only talk to women that got high interest in me. I'm not finna like jump through hoops and shit. I don't like that, right? I don't understand why y'all guys like to talk to low interest women in the first place, bruh. I'm telling you, women with high interest will do way more girl that has low interest in you. You know what I'm saying? Like, but since the video is how to get low interest women, I'm gonna teach you how to do it the correct way because, bruh, y'all dudes be backwards as hell. So let's jump into it. Number one. Guys, you gotta cut attention. You have to cut attention. The reason why some of y'all not getting these women that y'all want is because you giving them too much attention. You being too friendly with them. You know what I'm saying? Like, guys, all women, this is all women. All women think the fucking same. Like, stop believing the BS that all women don't. No, they all think the same, bro. You do it to one woman, I promise you can do it to the next woman, and the next woman. Yeah, you might have to tweak it a little bit, but to get her, I mean, this shit damn near the same. You know what I'm saying? So, cut the attention off. Stop giving her too much attention. Stop texting her. Stop liking her pictures. Stop stalking her Instagram and shit. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. That's what y'all get all wrong and fucked up at. Guys, the girls that with low interest, the reason why they don't like you is because you too available. You know what I'm saying? Women do not like available men. Women like men that's time is very limited. You know what I'm saying? I can't be around you all day, baby. I can't be stalking your social media all day, baby. I can't be calling you all day. I can't be texting you. I got too much shit going on. You know what I'm saying? I have too much shit to be going on to be trying to see what you doing. You know what I'm saying? I can't. My purpose come first. What I got going on come first. Then you come last. You know what I'm saying? But as you giving her more and more attention, you putting her on the pedestal. You putting her first. You putting her as the first priority. No, stop doing that. Stop doing that. That's what y'all guys is fucking up at. Stop. Once you start cutting the attention off, once you start being a little distant, that's when she gonna start chasing you. That's when she gonna start chasing. She be like, hold on. Why this dude just all of a sudden just cut me off? Like, what the fuck? What's going on? Why he cutting me off? Don't he think I'm a bad bitch? Like, why he cutting me off? Why? So that's when she gonna start chasing you, right? That's what y'all want. Y'all want the low interest girl to chase you, right? You gotta cut the attention off. Guys, you have to cut the attention off. Women get hella attention from dudes a day. Thousands, hundreds. They get DMs constantly blown up in their phone every day. You know what I'm saying? They getting attention. So once they find a dude that cuts the attention off, become more distant, then she gonna start chasing you. Then she gonna wanna see what you doing. Then she gonna want to talk to you more. Number two, be around hot women. Simple. Be around hot women. Show that you can easily replace her. Show that you can be around women that look way better than her. She gonna feel some type of way. She gonna feel some type of way. She like, damn, he cut me off to talk to a bitch that look way better than me. What the hell I'm missing? Let me start talking to him more. Let me talk to him more because apparently I'm missing something. Right? This bad shit like him, but I don't really like him. Now, he was liking me first. You know what I'm saying? Once you start talking to hot women, the game changed, guys. The game changed. She can like, what in the fuck? Talk to more women. Talk to other women so you can have that abundance mindset. Once you have that abundance mindset, the women would know like, oh, damn, he gets women for real. I can't really fuck up. I have to like him. Right? Because other women like him. Women have competition anxiety. Stop believing women that say, oh, I don't like men that has other women. Stop believing that bullshit. Stop believing that bullshit. They only say that to control you. I'm telling you, they only say that to control you. Guys, I promise you, I'm doing just fine. Like, girls be knowing I be talking to other girls while I'm talking to this girl. They be knowing they don't give a fuck, right? Have you seen, I know you seen the dude that get hella bitches and still don't have no problem getting to another bitch if they want to. And the bitch don't have no No problem. Like, they okay. They'll still talk to him. I know y'all seen it. Women don't care. Women don't care. That's what I'm saying. Guys, you gotta start talking to more hot women. Right? Hot women is like a form of a social proof. Right? Talking to hot women is a form of social proof. If I can get this hot one, best believe I can get another one, another one, another one, another one, and another one. Right? It's a form of social proof. So once you start talking to more hot women, guess what? More hot women gonna start approaching you more. More hot women gonna want to talk to you more. Right? And if you want that low interest girl, watch. She gonna come out the woodworks and want to talk to you. Hey, big head. Hey, big head. Damn, you went ghost on me. Damn, you haven't talked to me in so long. I'm telling you guys, that's what they gonna say. They gonna say that, guys. They going to say that, right? But you gotta talk to hot women though. You gotta cut her off first. Cut the attention off. Talk to more hot women. Then she'll start chasing you. She gonna start chasing your validation. She gonna want to be around you. This not gonna work if you talk to ugly women. Sorry, it's not. It's not gonna work if you talk to ugly women that look uglier than her. That look less attractive than the girl you trying to get, the low interest girl you trying to get. You know what I'm saying? The girl that the low interest girl you trying to get, the next girl you talk to, gotta be way better looking than her. Has to be for this shit to work, right? Y'all want low interest women? This the hoops I'm telling you. You gotta do all this extra shit to get this low interest woman, right? But yes, guys, you can't be talking to ugly women and expect the low interest girl to like you. You know what I'm saying? She like, oh damn, he talked to an ugly bitch. He talking to a girl that look uglier than me, less attractive than me. Oh, he can have her. But if you talk to a hotter girl that look hotter than her, she gonna like, oh shit. She gonna start becoming more insecure. She gonna start, and it's a good thing, guys. It's not like a bad insecurity. It's a good insecurity. She gonna start chasing you. That's what you want. I always say, the woman must always chase you. Always. Everything. I don't give a damn if it's a relationship. I don't give a damn if it's a one night stand. It don't matter. The girl must chase you. Period. At the end of the day, the girl must chase. She must know she can get replaced. Otherwise, if she can't get replaced, she would treat you like shit, and she ain't gonna really take you serious, and she gonna keep you in the friend zone, and she not gonna really like you. Number 3, guys, you gotta start doing fun activities. You gotta show that you doing something. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can, like, when you out, post it on your stories and shit. Like, she follow you, post it on your stories. Show that you have a life. Show that you have a fun life that she wants to be in. You know what I'm saying? Girls like fun. Girls like to do fun shit. That's why girls so quick to, like, leave a dude or break up with you, or, you know, talk to other men, because they get bored fast. Guys, they get bored fast in their mind. You gotta constantly stimulate their mind in every fucking thing, right? And one of them is being fun. You have to be fun. Like, you can't be boring. You can't expect to get a low interest woman if you're doing boring shit. If you ain't really doing shit for real. No. Show that you out at a nice food place. Show that you out at a fun place. Show that you going shopping at a nice mall or something. You know what I'm saying? Show that you doing something fun. Also, show that you been around other people. Like, show that you social. Guys, I'm gonna constantly drill this in your head. Women is talking to hundreds of dudes a day. They getting attention from thousands of dudes a day. That's hitting them up. That's giving them money. That's telling them to come out to eat with me. You know what I'm saying? That's going shopping with them, right? Guys, women always around dudes that's beta ass dudes that's going to just trick on them. You know what I'm saying? So if they're going to trick on them, why would they want a dude that's being boring? They'd rather prefer to trick over a boring dude to have fun with, right? Show your lifestyle a little bit. Flex your lifestyle a little bit, guys. Women like that shit. Women love that shit, guys. Post it on your story. You doing fun shit. You know what I'm saying? Post it on your stories. You going out with the boys at STK. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta show it. Show it. Don't be shared off as showing your life. Show your life. Show your life. And if you don't have life, you better get one. You better get one if you want the bitch. If you want this low interest girl, you better get a life. You better start doing fun shit. You better start becoming more social, right? 4, guys, you gotta start being more presentable. Guys, I'm telling you guys, like, Some of y'all dudes be looking like straight bums, bruh. Like, y'all just be going outside looking any kind of way. Guys, you gotta, if you want this low interest girl, you gotta put that shit on. You have to. You have to. You can't be looking all like a bum and shit, like wearing these oversized big ass clothes. Guys, just because you see celebrities wearing oversized clothes don't mean you can wear oversized clothes. You not them. You not them. You can't do what they do. And even still, if you is a celebrity, if you is a dude that got hella clout, still, why the fuck you wearing oversized clothes? Right? I'm telling y'all constantly in every damn video, get in shape. So guys, if you a dude that's in shape, wear fitted clothes. I'm telling you, just how you attracted to women with a nice figure, nice body, women are too. Women are too. So if you got fitted clothes on, they can see your body. They can, damn girl, look at his shoulders. He got that V. He got that V cut. Look at his shoulder. Look how broad his shoulders. Girl, look at his back. But you can't do that if you wearing baggy ass clothes, right? Guys, you got also another thing too. You gotta start getting a haircut. Getting a haircut. Start smelling good. Start hygiene. You gotta have good hygiene. Some of y'all niggas that y'all don't even brush your teeth at least twice a day. Oh, y'all expecting to get a bad bitch, but y'all brush your teeth twice a day, even floss. Y'all can't even do this shit, but y'all want a bitch, a low interest bitch, but y'all can't even do the shit that's required. that's required every day. Like, guys, brushing your teeth twice a day that's mandatory. Guys, flossing every day is fucking mandatory. But y'all not doing it. Right? Guys, you gotta take care of yourself. You gotta look more presentable. Stop wearing baggy clothes. If you're not in shape, you better get in shape. Get in shape now, ASAP. Go to the gym tomorrow. Start doing push-ups today. Like, you better start doing something, right? Wear fitted clothes. Use cologne. Spray some cologne. Some of y'all don't even wear cologne. Like, what the fuck? You have to wear cologne. The fuck? You just going out the house smelling like your house? No, you want to smell good. First impression is everything. Guys, first impressions is everything. So if you come up to a girl, you got fitted clothes on, you in shape, you smelling good, she has no choice but to pick you. She has no choice but to chase you. Guys, just fucking think about it. If you was that dude that was ugly as shit, right? You was that dude that was ugly as shit, and you was trying to attract this low interest girl. You trying to attract her. She put you in her friend zone. And you want this bitch bad. And you start talking to hotter women. You start doing fun stuff. You start getting in shape. You start maxing your looks out. Guys, she's going to fucking chase you. She's like, damn, girl, he glowed up. Look at him. Girl, look at him. He glowed up. She go chase you. She like, damn, girl, he talking to hot women. He looking more good. He looking more sexy. But you gotta improve your looks. You gotta look more presentable. You gotta start putting that shit on. You gotta stop wearing these baggy ass clothes. Stop doing it. I'm telling you, wearing baggy clothes is fucking you up because it's not showing you. It's not showing your physique. Show your physique off. Guys, we don't just go to the gym just to go to the gym. We go to the gym, 1, for health, 2, to get these bitches, 2, to look good. You know what I'm saying? Show it. Why not? Women show their body all the time. Women show their body all the damn time. So why you can't do the same? Why you can't do the same, right? Number 5, I'm gonna say this damn near every video, guys. Talk to women that like you. Why is y'all trying to convince these low interest girls to like y'all? Why? Why y'all trying to convince these low interest women to like y'all? Why? They gonna put you through all these hoops. Why won't you not talk to a girl that truly likes you? That truly likes you. I'm telling you, women that truly likes you will suck the skin off your stick. Literally, will suck the skin off your stick. The woman that's low interest, you damn near gotta convince her to do all this shit. Like, you gotta do all, and the shit I'm telling y'all to do, y'all should be doing that anyways. Y'all should be make sure y'all look presentable, making sure you're in shape, making sure you not giving women too much attention, too much of your attention. You should be doing that shit anyways, right? You should be doing that shit anyways, right? But guys, you talking to low interest women, they gonna put you through all these hoops and shit. If you start, and once they start putting you through all these hoops, you gonna look like you chasing her. Women don't like a man that chases them. So you off rip, you lost from the beginning. Once you start chasing, you lost. You lost. Once you start trying to convince this bitch to like you, you lost. You lost. She not gonna really like you for real. You chasing her, you putting her on this high ass pedestal. Why would she take you serious? She got thousands of other dudes chasing her too. So you just adding on to the list. Guys, talk to women that likes you. I only talk to women that likes me. I'm not finna chase you. Sorry, I'm not. You can just go ahead and wrap it up. You can just go ahead. I'm not finna chase you. I got too much shit going on, and I got other bitches that really likes me. Why the fuck would I stop what I'm doing just to try to convince you to like me? No, I'm not doing it. So yeah, guys, that's how you get a low interest woman. Yeah, that's what y'all want. Y'all want a low interest woman. That's how you get them. That's how you get them. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It's at the top, and it's in the link in the bio. Make sure y'all follow me, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, and it's your boy Ronn. I'm out. Peace.